Hi guys, Bruno from TotalCross here. Welcome to our channel. And today we're going to see how can we use VS Code and the VS Code plugin to start your TotalCross applications. And to get started, we need, of course, the VS Code. You need to search for TotalCross here at the extensions. You're going to find TotalCross extension here. Let's install it to see what will happen. Awesome. It's installed now. Now let's use it. And before that, just take a look at the extension. We can do basically three things. And besides the VS Code and the extension, you don't need anything else to start your application, okay? So basically, we can create a new project, package the application to build everything to deploy on the device, and also deploy directly on your Raspberry Pi or any other device. Let's get started creating a new project. We need to choose a folder. So let's create here test app. Also the package. The name of my application. The TotalCross version that I want to use. And the operating systems. I'm going to choose here just linuxarm, but after that we can change and add more operating systems. Okay, TotalCross will also ask to send anonymous data, okay, but just need to approve it or not if you don't want to send data. Here I'm gonna approve it, and let's see the app is structured right now. So it will create an empty project with two classes. This is the main class to run the TotalCross simulator, and this one is the main window, the main class for TotalCross, and this will show our UI on the device. Also, we have here a pond.xml, which is a Maven file. This file is used to configure all the projects. So here you can find the TotalCross version that you are using, also the TotalCross Maven plugin that we are using on our project, and the platforms that we are going to deploy the application. So if we want to add a new platform like Android, just need to come here, add Android, and on the next time that you hit the package, it will build for Android too. Let's take a look on my simulator. Let's run the simulator. Okay, it's just a simple application, and let's now add a button on it. Now let's add the components on the screen, as we need to add the control that we are going to position and the X and Y position on my screen. So let's add the button. It will be on the center again, and after the last added component. Let's run my simulator again, and the button is positioned. But the simulator doesn't look like an embedded device, right? So let's add a new parameter here at the end. Just to change the screen size for a embedded screen size. Now it looks like an embedded device, right? Next function of the TotalCross plugin is to package the application. So let's hit package here. It will compile everything on TotalCross, all the binaries, and also it will convert the Java bytecodes into a TotalCross bytecodes to reduce the footprints, to improve the performance of the execution. Also, when we hit the package, it compiles together the SQLite, all the assets that we need to run, like images, everything in a single package file. And as I said, we can choose different operating systems like Android, iOS, and more. So it's finished, 32 seconds, and we can find the files right here, install, linuxarm. Let's take a look at the files. The entire folder has 9 megabytes. And we're gonna have here the virtual machine, also the TCZ files, which are the bytecodes. And here we have the TCZs of my application, the test app, with less than 1K. Now let's deploy the last step in our plugin. Let's deploy directly on my device. Need to inform the user, also the IP. I'm going to deploy my application directly on my IMX6 URL from Toradex with only 256 megabytes of RAM. There's no password. Also the folder of the application. Let's deploy it. As you can see here, you can see the application running. I'm also going to interact with the button. And we completed all the tasks that we can do with the TotalCross plugin. Start a new project, package the application, and also deploy directly on the device. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to give us your comments, suggestions for the next videos, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you next time.